My laptop yesterday is shut down and I lose my screen. I ordered the laptop screen yesterday, the new screen. Comes from UPS today to my house. That's my new screen. It's really easy to change it if you want. First of all, you have to open this part. You have to be careful too. You just need a screwdriver. That's it. Then you have to open it. Two screws here, two here, one here, and one there. Okay, and then now you have to come down. And you have to very careful open it. This part. Very carefully, guys. Yeah, here you go. And then you have to open it those 4 screws here. Then, okay, here you go. This one too. That's my old screen. Oh, now we have this one, the new one. First of all, we have to try it. Is it working or no? And then I put it back the screwdriver with the screw. You have to be careful. That's the important step. First, you want to try it. Everything is okay or no? What's it? Yeah, that's good. That's okay, perfect. So we wanna just retry it. Everything is okay. We have to put back the screw with the screwdriver. So now we wanna put it back the screw here. So next one. Okay, this one. Just for make sure everything is tiny. Yeah. Don't too much tight, guys. Just a little bit to make sure everything comes to properly. So you have to put it back this part. So we want to just try it one more time. Yeah, that's good. So you put it back properly. Start to put back the screw. It's the last one. So, and then we have to put back this frame. Okay, there you go. That's very easy, guys. You can do at your home, and then just after one day, when you order, you can receive from laptopscreen.com. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good one.